M. Francesca Chervenak, Esquire, Pennsylvania Health Law Project. Fran Chervenak's commitment to helping low-income Pennsylvanians get the health care they need is extraordinary. She has spent her entire career as a legal services attorney, first with the Legal Aid Society of Minneapolis, and now with the Pennsylvania Health Law Project, or PHLP, where she helps people in need get the care they deserve. When Fran arrived at PHLP in 1998 from Minneapolis, the program did not have a Pittsburgh office. Creating one was a high priority, but not an easy task. PHLP needed someone who could demonstrate excellence, be passionate about and committed to the mission, work independently, and supervise others. Fran was the perfect match. Fran quickly became familiar with and competent in relevant Pennsylvania law and began creatively and energetically representing clients, organizing and writing briefs, appeals, and legal memoranda. She assembled a team of paralegals and established a culture in Pittsburgh that is the envy of any workplace. Fran's ability to teach and continually mentor her staff is unmatched. Both current and former PHLP staff and law students are better advocates, due in large part to Fran's efforts, as she is tremendously knowledgeable and accessible to staff and clients alike. Fran's supervision responsibilities extend beyond the PHLP's Pittsburgh office. As managing attorney for client services and representation, she has direct responsibility for the legal supervision of the attorneys, paralegals, and student interns assigned to PHLP's statewide helpline, which provides individual counseling and representation to more than 4,000 Pennsylvanians each year. Her colleague David Gates says, Fran is the air traffic controller for PHLP. She ensures our client intake works smoothly and efficiently while providing high-quality services. Fran has also been PHLP's point person on a range of healthcare matters. For instance, she is an expert on the Medical Assistance Transportation Program, also known as MATP, which provides transportation to medical appointments for medical assistance recipients who do not have transportation available to them. This competence allows Fran to serve as counsel to consumer members of the state's MATP Advisory Committee, which oversees the policies implemented by county providers. Fran's MATP advocacy has been essential as state budgetary pressures are making some counties take shortcuts by illegally limiting the availability of rides to medically necessary appointments. Fran is also an expert in the delivery of services to Pennsylvania's dual eligibles, individuals who qualify for both Medicare and Medicaid benefits, and who rely almost entirely on government programs to meet their health needs. Most duals are disabled or elderly, and they have extensive medical, social, and long-term care needs. Fran has helped literally thousands of low-income Pennsylvanians navigate these systems. Her competence is so strong and well recognized by funders that over the last 3 years, she has received a special contract from the Pennsylvania Department of Aging to travel across the state to train apprise representatives and other senior advocates about low-income duals and Medicare changes. Fran's real passion, however, is working with individual clients, helping them assert their legal rights. For example, Fran represented Benjamin, a 10-year-old boy with congenital heart defects who needed skilled nursing support to recover from surgery. Initially, Ben's mother took family medical leave to care for him, but months after the surgery, he still needed close monitoring and medications. Ben's doctor prescribed skilled nursing care so he could be cared for at home while his mother worked. Fran worked with a home care agency, Ben's mother, and her employer to compile a timeline and assisted Ben's cardiologist in drafting a detailed letter of medical necessity. After Fran submitted the plan, the Medicaid insurer agreed to settle and authorized the requested services so that Ben's mother could return to work, knowing that her son was getting the care he needed. Ben's story is just one of thousands like it. Fran and PHLP work across the state to help Medicaid consumers and their providers who do not understand their rights to challenge decisions denying them care. Because of Fran's tenacious advocacy, countless clients have been able to get access to needed prescription drugs, healthcare coverage, healthcare for special needs children, and medical transportation. In recognition of excellence in leadership and healthcare advocacy, we are pleased to present Fran Chervenak with the 2012 Excellence Award. Fran was nominated by Laval Miller Wilson, Executive Director of the Pennsylvania Health Law Project, and supported by former PHLP Executive Directors Michael Campbell and Ann Torregrossa, as well as by the members of the Consumer Subcommittee of the Medical Assistance Advisory Committee, chaired by Yvette Long.